how to fix YouTube not loading. So to fix YouTube not loading, scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data for the stable network connection, or you can just simply turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to its settings, go to the apps, then find YouTube, and then go to its stories, then tap clear cache, and then tap clear data if needed. And on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to settings, tap general, then tap iPhone storage. Now find YouTube from the list, then tap on it. Now tap upload app, and then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it, or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the YouTube app, and then reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the YouTube app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.